You've picked a broker, or you're close to it. Everything else in this series, pips, lot sizes, candlesticks, support and resistance, has been building toward one moment, actually placing a trade. But you're not going to risk real money to do that. Not yet, and honestly, not for a while. That's exactly what a demo account is for, and today we're setting one up properly, the way it's actually meant to be used, not just clicked through and forgotten. Let's get into it. A demo account is a practice trading account that uses fake money but real live market prices. That distinction matters. You're not trading against some simplified simulation. You're seeing the exact same price movements, the exact same spreads, and usually the exact same platform that live traders are using at that exact moment. The only thing that isn't real is the money, which means you can place trades, get them wrong, get them right, and watch exactly what happens without a single cent of actual risk. For everything we've covered in this series so far, this is where it stops being theory. Here's the good news. Almost every regulated broker, the kind we talked about in the last video, offers a free demo account, and it takes a few minutes. Step 1. Go to the broker's website and look for demo account or practice account, usually right next to the live account sign up. Step 2. Register with just an email. Most demo accounts require no deposit and no verification documents. If a demo account is asking for ID or payment details, that's worth being suspicious of. Step 3. Once you're in, you'll usually be dropped straight into the same platform we talked about last video, MetaTrader or the broker's own interface, fully loaded with a starting practice balance. That's it. You now have a live-priced, zero-risk trading environment. The setup was the easy part. How you use it is what actually matters. Here's a mistake almost every beginner makes without realizing it. They leave the default demo balance exactly as it is, often something like $10,000 or even $100,000. The problem? If you're realistically planning to start live trading with $300 or $500, practicing on a $100,000 balance teaches you completely the wrong instincts. A $50 loss feels irrelevant on a $100,000 balance. That same $50 loss is a genuinely meaningful risk decision on a $500 account. Most brokers let you adjust your demo balance. Set it to match what you'd realistically deposit for real. This is one small step that makes your practice far more honest. A demo account is wasted if you just click buy a few times and close the app. Here's what to actually work on. Practice calculating your position size properly. The way we covered a couple of videos back. Don't just guess a lot size. Do the maths every single time until it becomes automatic. Practice spotting support and resistance on real, live charts and watch what candles actually do when price reaches those levels. Theory versus what genuinely happens are two different things, and a demo account is where you close that gap. And critically, practice using a stop loss on every single trade. Not sometimes, every time. If that habit isn't automatic by the time you go live, it never will be. There's no magic number here, but there is a wrong answer. A few days is not enough. The market moves differently week to week. A handful of lucky trades over 3 days tells you almost nothing about whether your approach actually works. A more honest benchmark, aim for consistent, disciplined execution over several weeks. Not necessarily consistent profit yet, but consistent process. Are you calculating position size every time, using a stop loss every time, following your own plan instead of reacting emotionally? If yes, you're building the right habits. If you can't do that on a demo account with zero real risk, going live won't fix it. Here's the part almost nobody warns beginners about. Demo trading and live trading are not emotionally the same. It is much, much easier to follow your rules perfectly when there's nothing real on the line. No fear, no excitement, no urge to move your stop loss because you're nervous. Real money changes your decision-making in ways a demo account simply cannot simulate. So use your demo account for exactly what it's good for. Building mechanical skill, calculations, chart reading, execution. Just don't mistake demo confidence for live money readiness. We'll go deep on the psychology side later in this series because it genuinely deserves its own conversation. Let's lock this in. A demo account uses fake money, but real, live prices. Setup takes minutes, no deposit, no documents required for most brokers. Set your demo balance to match what you'd realistically deposit for real. Practice position sizing, spotting support and resistance, and using a stop loss every time. Demo trade for weeks, not days. Focus on consistent process, not just profit. Demo trading builds mechanical skill, not emotional readiness. The two are genuinely different. That's how to set up and actually use a demo account properly. In the next video, we're adding another tool to your chart reading skill set, trend lines, and how to use them alongside the support and resistance you already know. If this video helped you get started the right way, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more beginners at exactly this stage. And drop a comment below. Have you opened your demo account yet? What balance did you set it to? Let me know. See you in the next lesson.